Hi, welcome to MatCup. This is a new video on quantitative aptitude and reasoning part. So this is a question which is based upon the question can needs to be answered with respect to the given statement. How the question has to be approached, we have explained in the previous video. Please, before seeing this particular thing, you are supposed to see the first one because then only you will be able to understand how you should be able to choose the option from the given statements. If I try to explain the same thing again, the video should be too lengthier as well as it is going to be boring for the people those who have already watched the basic understandings. So I will attach the first video in the description part so you can check out that particular part in order to have a clear understanding. This particular part, that is the statement, is very important in basically the UPSC CZ examination. Nowadays, more than 10 plus questions are coming from the question which is need to be answered with respect to the statement. So I will give you a brief understanding. In each question, there will be a question and we have followed by one and the two statement. We need to check or we need to choose the option such that whether we will be able to answer the question by using one statement alone or by using both the statements together, or whether we were not able to answer the question by taking both the statement. In that way, you need to choose the option. Okay. So the basic understanding what you need to have now, you should not do any hypothesis. You should answer the question only by looking into the statements or the question given. Okay, you should not assume anything. You should not having any pre-decided ideas. So here the question is the average cost of 60 items greater than 25? That means they are asking you whether the average cost of 60 items can be greater than 25. So they are given that the average cost of 60 items can be greater than 25 means if you are taking the total cost of 60 items can be greater than 60 into 25, that is nothing but equal to 1500. So rather than checking the average cost of 25 items, we can directly check the total cost of 60 items can be greater than 1500. So the first statement given is 2/5 of them cost 30 rupees. That means there are total 60 items. 2/5 of them means 2/5 of 60 items. On cancellation, you will get 12. 12 into 4, that is equal to 24 items. 24 items average cost is 24 items cost 30 rupees each means the total cost of 24 items will be equal to 24 into 30, correct? 24 into 3 is 72, 720. So we can identify that the total cost of 2/5 of the items is 720, but we cannot say that whether the total cost will be greater than 1500 or not, or whether we cannot say that the total cost of 60 items will be greater than 25 or not. Why? We don't know the cost of the remaining 3/5 item. So if you're assuming that the remaining items are having zero cost, means if you divide 720 divided by 60, that is going to be 12 rupees. That means average cost will become 12 rupees. So we cannot answer it. Yes or no is not a possibility. So the second statement what they have given now, they have getting that 1/3 of them cost 40 rupees each. That means the 1/3 of 60 item that means 20 items. So the total cost of 20 items is will be equal to 20 into 40, that is equal to 800 rupees. Correct. But we cannot say that whether the average cost is greater than 25 or total cost is greater than 1500. So by using statement 1 alone or statement 2 alone, we are not able to answer this particular question. Now we are taking a combined approach. That means the 2/5. That means when you are taking 24 items from the first statement, you can take it as for 24 items, the total cost is 720. For 20 items, the total cost is 800. That means if you add it up, you will get 44 items cost 1520. That means since by the 44 item total cost is 1520 means if you're taking the average cost of 60 item, it would be greater than 25, because we were checking whether the total cost of 60 items is greater than 1500. Even by 44 items, you are able to get it that it will be greater than 1520. So now we will look at the option. If the question can be answered by using one statement alone, but we cannot answer it by using one statement alone. Second one, if the question can be answered by using either of the statement alone. No, you cannot answer it by using individually taking the statement alone. If the question can be answered by using both the statements together, yes, the question can be answered by using both the statements together, but it cannot be answered by using both. It cannot be answered by taking either of the statement alone. So the answer is going to be option 3. So what was the question? Is the average cost is greater than 25? We will answer will be yes. That means the option 3 is the answer. We will be able to answer it by taking the both the questions together. I think explanation was very clear. How to approach this kind of question was clear with everyone. If you need any clarification, do let me know in the comment section. If you want to see any more question relating to this part or quantitative aptitude reasoning part, do let me know in the comment section. As a token of gratitude, please like to this channel as well as subscribe to our channel. Please share with the people, those who are interested to learn these kind of things. There are various playlists are available connecting to chemistry, mathematics, physics of class 10, plus 1, plus 2. There are classes associated with the Indian polity is there. There are videos which is in Malayalam as well as English is there. So you can check out according to your convenience. Share with the people, those who are interested to learn. Thanks for watching. Keep watching, keep learning. Bye.